Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of DIY Quick Crafts with Miss Abigail, me, from the Harris-Elmore and Genoa Libraries. Today we are doing a very easy and simple craft with supplies you probably already have at home. We are making popsicle stick puzzles. Super easy and super fun and very safe for children to do. So you'll need three things for this craft. One is, of course, your craft sticks or popsicle sticks. And then I am using markers. You can use any medium you want, but I'll be drawing with the markers, but you could use pencils, colored pencils, paint, anything. And then you will also need tape. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you will need to figure out how many popsicle sticks you want to use for your puzzle. I will be using 10 today, and they are all plain on both sides, and I'm going to line these up perfectly so they are all flush with one another, and I'm trying to get them as close to being straight as possible. Okay, the next step is very important. I tried to do this without it and it did not work at all. So you're going to grab your tape and just tape all of these sticks together so they don't move whenever you paint or color or draw on them. Again, trying to keep them as close to one another as possible. Okay, and then you're going to want to flip that over and see how those stay together. So this is where you want to start drawing your design on your puzzle. You can make it horizontal or vertical, but for this sake, I am going to leave it this way so the ends are pointing out. For the sake of it being St. Patrick's Day soon, I am going to draw a rainbow on here. I might add some other details a little bit later. The more details that you have, the harder your puzzle will be to put back together. Okay, now that I have my rainbow, I'm going to add some cloud details and maybe some stars just to make this a little bit more difficult to put back together because I like to challenge myself. Okay, now that I'm all done, I'm going to want to flip this over and remove all my tape so then we can mix the puzzle up and put it back together. So essentially, your popsicle sticks are your pieces to the puzzle. So my puzzle only has 10 pieces, but you could get crazy and do a 30-piece puzzle, a 50-piece puzzle. You could even do a 100-piece puzzle. Again, it is completely up to you. I'm going to flip these around and mix them up. Oh no, and now it's time to do my puzzle. See, this looks really confusing. I think that goes there. Uh-oh. We got a split. And voila, there's my puzzle. This is easy to travel with, or you could even turn it over and make a whole new puzzle on the back, so you have two puzzles. Thanks everyone for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more fun DIY quick crafts in the future. See you next time.